Hi, I'm Elmer with Wave Outdoors. Today's video we're going to be installing a 3-in-1 camera mount from High Point Solutions. We want to thank Rick for sponsoring this video and sending us actually one of these out to try out. This here installs with very little tools to no tools, and it's a great option to try it out. We're going to do a video when we go to the archery range to kind of show the camera angles and some of the functions of it. Today we're going to be mounting it to a Barnett STR 400 crossbow. First thing you want to do is open the package and take out the contents. You have your GoPro mount. You have a mic cable band. You have the actual mount. It comes with a 1/4 for another camera. You also have a one for your camera for your cell phone. Today we're going to be using the GoPro mount. So what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is make sure your setup is level. Of course, my scope's level, my crossbow's level, my workbench has been leveled. But if it's not, you want to make sure it's level. One of the things that you'll want to do is, of course, put the GoPro mount on first. And that is simply done by screwing a threaded knob underneath, and it's simply mounted. The next thing you want to do is, if you're like me and you put protectors on your crossbow, is to remove the protectors off the scope. Just open this up. You don't have to take it completely loose, and sliding it over your crossbow scope. And let's see, you need to thread it out a little bit more to go around it. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit of a tight fit. Loosening it up surely helps. So you want to make sure that, let me get my toolbox here. Storage that. And that you have some kind of leveling device. I do have one such here to do it, and you want to make sure this is level for your camera. So I'm just continually working it till it gets level. Okay, and I think that's just about as, let's see here. Okay, and then you want to tighten this knob down. Now, it's just as simple as clicking your GoPro in here and actually hitting record and shooting your hunting. If we want to install this to try and record our first hunt, maybe some of our archery practice, kind of get an idea of how well we're getting the target. If we are needing to make adjustments to our shooting, whether we make adjustments to the crossbow, or just in fact that we just want to record it and bring it to you guys here on YouTube. So once again, we want to thank Rick with High Point Products for sponsoring this video, and that's pretty much a simple basic instruction of how to install a High Point 3-in-1 camera mount onto your crossbow. And this summer with Wave Outdoors, remember, click, like, and subscribe, and stay healthy and stay blessed.